Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the error "I'm not a robot" on Omegle. So what you need to do is you need to go to Google, then tap on those three dots you see in the right upper corner of your screen. So this works for Google, but also for other browsers such as Bing or just every browser that you can browse on. So tap on those three dots in the upper corner of your screen, then go to settings, and then go to privacy and security. So you see you on Google, you see autofill, but you need to go to privacy and security. And then usually the cookies are selected on block third-party cookies in incognito. So this one is selected, but you need to select allow all cookies. So this is very important. Select the first option, allow all cookies. And then again go to privacy and security, and then instead of tapping on cookies and other site data, tap on site settings. So tap on this one, and then you see a list of sites pop up, but you need to go to omegle.com. So it is in the list recent sites, or you can search for it. So go to omegle.com and change the location from ask permission to allow. So set this on allow. This is really important, that you allow access to your location to Omegle, and now it should work. Now just go to Omegle, and you should not get the error, and you should just get on Omegle without any issue. So please subscribe if this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.